Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the OpenAI platform, which you can access via the web. First things first is creating an API key. You go on the left hand panel, click API key, create a new key, give it a name, and create. So once you've done that, this is your API key. You can copy it and store it. Do not share it with everybody. I'm going to revoke this one. This was just for demonstration. Next is we take a look at the assistants. This shows you all the assistants that you have created previously. This was created from the last video. I'm going to link it below if you have not watched it. You can create a new one from the right hand corner right there, right on top corner. We're going to create a new one, so I'm not going to do this right now. Next, I want to take a look at fine tuning. Now, fine tuning, what allows you to do is it allows you to fine tune your assistant to a certain data set. This is extremely powerful. You can learn more about it over here. This is very thorough, and I highly recommend going through what they have to say over here. Next is your files. Now, files is very interesting. You can attach files. It can be in a separate, different kind of formats like PDF, Word, and so on and so forth. You can take a look. OpenAI shows you the list of document formats that you can use. Now, once you have attached a file to an assistant, what it does is it processes it and it can now answer questions from that file. So we're going to try and do that right now. So first we go to assistants again, we create, and I'm going to call it a cake maker, and because the file that I have is a cake making file, right? So, and then from the instruction, what we're going to do is we're going to give it, you are a cake maker who answers all the questions from the file that is available to you, right? And the model is the models that you can use. I'm going to stick to GPT-4 Turbo. For files, you need to enable retrieval. So I'm going to enable retrieval, and then I'm going to do add, and then this is how to make cake. Now it's processing it. It's already done. It was a small file, right? Once it's done, you can actually go to files and see that the file has been uploaded and the status is ready. Once that is there, go to assistants again and click on that, and then what you can do is test in playground, and there you have it. So I'm going to ask you a question. What are the top 3 mistakes while making cake, right? And then run. So once you click run, you can see that it's running. It's created a thread right over here, right? You can cancel the run and it will cancel it. Now, one caveat that I want to point out is, as of today, if I'm not mistaken, you cannot list the threads that you've already created. So I would suggest for thread management, whenever you create a thread, you need to store it in some sort of a database where you have access to it, or you can look it up easily so that you don't end up with a lot of threads. Okay, now it's given the answer, and as you can see, it also cites the sources over here. So when you hover over there, it actually goes to the part of the document where it found the mistakes, right? Using the wrong type of fat. That's one of the things. Yeah, that's pretty accurate, having ingredients to coal and so on and so forth, right? So yeah, that's it for today. See you next time.